Yeah, I've got her right there.
Mrs. Wiggleworm. She's wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. She's so cute. I cannot believe how cute this dog is. She did not wet the pen herself. She's gorgeous. She's going to be a beach girl in Southern California. Hi, Zuzu. Zuzu, say hi, Zuzu. Oh, Zuzu. Mom and Daddy love you. We love you, Zuzu. I'm so happy to have her. This whole experience has been so worthwhile. I have to admit it took a while. It took a couple months. It was hard because I wanted her. But she's so small. She's still the size of my hand. So there was no way I could have her in a zoo office. And I just think she's gorgeous and darling. She's going to be a perfect fit to our household. So thank you everybody, and Bess and everybody else who I spoke to back there. I really appreciate you guys.